Well, hello friends, this is Doug DiMercurio here in Northern Colorado. Today I'm going to show you how to create an image ad the easy way using your presentation software such as PowerPoint, or even OpenOffice has their presentation software and so on. And so here let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to do is you're going to open up your presentation software, PowerPoint, etc. Create just a blank page. Just a blank slide. And then the first place where we're going to start is we're just going to choose a text box, and we're going to open up the box like so. This is kind of on mine, this is the default, and I'm just going to go ahead and change the color so that we don't really see it. And I'm going to go up to the controls for this box, and I'm going to increase the weight of the border. And then you also have the option to choose what color the inside of the border is, and what color the frame color is, the border, and what color the interior of it is. So I'm going to go ahead and change that border to red. And then the next thing you're going to do is like, okay, I'm creating an ad here, so I want an image. So I'm going to switch over here to just go to your Google search and select Google Images and click on Google Images, and it'll take you to these selections. Click on Google Images, and let's say we want to create an ad related to steak. So I'm going to just type in prime steak. Okay, I'm a chef, and so I'm always thinking about food. Go ahead, click on Search Images, and it's going to bring up all these different images. So I'll just select one here. Go ahead, copy the image, go back to your presentation, and then just go ahead and paste that image in there. And then you can just resize this however you like. I'm going to go ahead and we'll just stretch this out so it fills the frame like this. And then in that software you do have the option, if I say this image is a little larger than that, now it's covering the frame. The simple way that I use to do that is I'll just go, there is a selection tool in your presentation software where you can move that so it's now behind the frame, and I can just go ahead and resize this, and now it looks like it's perfectly framed image. And now our next step is we're going to go ahead and we're going to just click on your text tool and type in some text. So we've got prime steaks, the best you've ever tasted. Now I kind of like this. The way it overlaps, obviously it's a little difficult to read, so what I'm going to do with it here, I'm just going to highlight this text, and I'm going to change the text color to white instead of black. And then I'm going to just move this over into the image itself. So now we've got a nice looking little image there with a headline in it, and we've got our blank space over here where we can now put an offer. So the next step then, go ahead, take your text box tool, create a text box, and I'm going to change the color of the text box to red. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and type in some text here. So we'll type in click here to order. I'll go ahead and center the text. I'll make this look nice, and then I'm going to change the text color to yellow so it stands out a little bit more, and we'll make the text bold, and we'll just go ahead and increase the size of it a little bit. Now because that's in a text box and I typed the text into the box itself, I can move the whole thing and I don't have to move the box or the text separately. So I'll move this down here. And you can do the same thing whether it's a square box or whether you create an explosion tool, something like so, and you can type text into that, and so on and so on. So here we have an image, and now we have our image created. Then take this collection of text and image and border and all that, and we're going to turn it into a single image with a very simple tool. It's a free tool that you can get online called TextSmith, and it's called Jing. And it allows you to take a screenshot of any portion of your computer monitor, or it even allows you to record short videos of what's on your screen, kind of like what I'm doing right now. So just go to Jing for the downloads, and you can see it's available for both Windows or for the Mac. So once you've downloaded Jing on your computer, then what you're going to do is you're just going to use the Jing tool, and what you click on the selection thing, and it'll give you a little cursor like this, and you'll be able to just go to your screen, collect the area that you want to save as your image, and then you're going to click on this button which says save, and then you're going to click on this other button, save button. You'll want to change the name here to, let's just call it steak ad, and then you can click on this save button and save it to whichever folder on your computer that you'd like to, your normal folder full of images, or however you want to use that. So I hope you found this information useful. It's a very easy, simple tool, a very simple way to create an image ad. Once you have that image saved, then obviously you can resize it down to whatever you want to do. You can use, just make it small, use it in your pay-per-click ads. You can make it large and use it and create it and turn it into a clickable image and use that in a Craigslist ad or anywhere that you'd like. Even if you're looking to create ads for the newspaper, so that you don't want, you're not relying on the newspaper or somebody else or a magazine, whatever. You can create nice high quality images. Very simple and very easy. If you like what you've seen here today and you'd like to see more tips, success recipes and tips for your online marketing or just marketing in general, go to DougDeMercurio.com, Marketing Success Recipes, and look at all the other tips and tidbits there that I have to offer you. Go out and have a terrific day.